am from the government, and we're kind of running out of money. We'd like you to know that we'll be needing some of your future earnings.
Well, to be honest, things are a little tight around here lately.
So
and
we've determined that according to your age, we'll need approximately $46,000, and we'll give you 60 years to pay that off. You can do that with one easy payment per year of $766, or if you'd like, $63 a month, not including interest, of course.
Are you nuts? I'll be 85 in 60 years. I can't afford another $63 a month. Besides, we've already paid our taxes.
I wasn't talking to you.